When Fenty runs a sale, I have a list. It's specific and I'm intentional. Because here's what we know about Fenty. When it comes to lips, Fenty does not miss. When it comes to body care, they don't miss. And fragrance, we're gonna get into that later. Today, I am sharing with you my Fenty Beauty haul. I'm sharing everything I grab directly from their website during their sale, and everything is going to be listed below. I have 8 products that I'm going to be sharing with you today, and by the end of the video, I am going to let you know exactly which Gloss Bomb formula I think is the best and has made it into my permanent rotation. So let's go ahead and jump into today's haul. My setting spray, Fenty. My primers, Fenty. I have been using them for a while and they have not let me down. What I do come back to Fenty for every single time, lips, body, fragrance. These genuinely deliver for our skin tone. And when they had a sale, I was ready. I had my list. So we're gonna start with lips. This is the bulk of what I bought. And I have 3 different gloss bombs. 3, same family, different formulas. And I want to tell you exactly what is different between each formula. All right, so we're going to start out with the OG. This one is the Gloss Bomb Universal Lip Luminizer. And this one is the limited edition collection Wattab. And this is the one that started it all. Ooh, look how pretty this is. Ooh, this is giving like effortless, glossy. I just woke up like this. Let me show you what this color looks like. OMG. This is Wattab. This is the color, and look how that just shows up on medium skin. Like that right there is everything. This formula is comfortable, it's not sticky, and it just shows up beautifully. It's not washing us out like, oh my gosh, like look at that. There's some reflex in it, and the pink is just bold. Wear time, this I probably would say could wear maybe about a good 4 hours and you need to reapply, but this with a nice lip liner, chef's kiss. All right, and now we're moving into the Gloss Bomb Oil Luminizing Lip Oil and Gloss. Okay, that was a mouthful. But this one is in the shade Miss Jellyfish. And like, let's look at this right here. This one is different from the Universal. It's lighter. It's like a lip oil hybrid with a gloss. And I've actually been enjoying this formula a lot. I think the color that I had that I wore all the time was raspberry jam or something like that. Love it with just a lip liner. It was doing its thing. I got Jellyfish right here next to Wattab. This one is more sheer. So I think like your lips, but like glass skin. It's not as bold. It's almost, but it just has a nice, look at that, like flicker when you move it around. This one is giving you a lot of hydration because it's a hybrid oil and gloss bomb together. Again, this is the shade Jellyfish. I think if you want more effortless, think like hydration, lip care. This is for the days that you're not really wearing any makeup, but you still want to look put together. Add a little lip liner and add this, and yeah, you're gonna be doing something. Traced out lip liner. Fenty released the new shade Rose Amber, and I picked this one up because I already had the Gloss Bomb stick and I already had the gloss, I believe. I think it's the gloss. And so I picked this up to just complete the collection. Now you have the liner, and now you have the lipstick, the lip gloss stick, or you have the lip gloss. And let me go ahead and swatch that for you. Ooh. Rose Amber is gonna be a little bit more cool toned. I have that swatched right there for you. It's a waterproof lip pencil, so it's gonna stay in place all day. And I have the Gloss Bomb stick here, and I am just going to, wait, let me just show you the packaging because I just love the packaging. And these are perfect. I love these when you want a little bit of pigment, you want a little glossy finish, and I feel like they last all day because I've been rocking hot chocolate, I believe is the color that I have been rocking. And then so this is the Rose Amber Gloss Bomb stick, and then that's the Trace Out lip liner. And obviously you're gonna apply your lip liner first and then the Gloss Bomb stick, and then it's giving you effortless gloss but defined lips. The color complements our skin tone. It's nice to have like a cool tone option, you know, when you're wearing maybe like cool eyes and you need another option, that you have that as a option. So happy I picked that up. The move right here. This is the layering secret, your lip liner, either of the gloss options or the Gloss Bomb sticks, and you have the perfect lip combo. Thank me later. So now we have the last formula, and this is the Gloss Bomb Heat. This is the Universal Lip Luminizer Plumper, and I picked up the shade Lavender Savage. So this is the third Gloss Bomb. This one, the heat lets you know that it's going to have a little plumping element. There's a little tingle, not too much. So again, this is Lavender Savage. Oh, this is so pretty. I'm actually probably gonna apply this because it goes with my lip combo. So this is Lavender Sage on deep to medium skin. Woo! So the heat, the plumping sensation, it's not aggressive. It's just a warm tingle. It doesn't burn, but it's just gorgeous. So again, this pulls a little bit more sheerer than what it looks like in the tube. Gorge. I would say think of this as just a wash of color more so than packing a punch of pigments. But this with a lip liner, chef's kiss, you have another lip combo. So here's my Gloss Bomb verdict. I have all three Gloss Bombs here, and here's how I would rate them. Your Universal is gonna be your everyday lip wear. Your oil is gonna be for your self-care lip days. And the heat is for when you want your lips to look a little bit fuller and lit days. 3 formulas, 3 different moods. Do we need all 3? Probably not. Do I regret picking them up? Absolutely not. Now we're gonna transition into face, and I only have one product, and it's a good one. I have the Fenty Beauty Killawatt. This is the mini highlighter, the mini Killawatt Freestyle Highlighter, and I have the shade Wattab. It's the same shade as the Gloss Bomb Universal. So, you know, pink, summer, yes. How cute is this? So this shade, you know, it's gonna pack a punch. It's gonna look good. Oh my gosh. Can we have a moment for that right there? Yes. This is gonna look like you were born to glow, and then it's just gonna have a nice highlight to it, nice lit from within. Like, this is gonna be like a blush topper for me. Look at that pink. And I just got a whole bunch of pink Blushes, so this just adds a nice wash of color. It looks like your lit from within highlights. 2 products, same shade. Now let's hope they make this permanent because I am here for it. All right, next up for skincare, I have the Fenty Skin Dew and Plump Intense Hydration Slushy Mask. This right here is everything. It's an overnight face mask, and I've been on a hydration skin kick lately, and in store I tried this and it was just amazing. So the sale came and I added it to cart and checked out. So I'm super excited to try, and look at the packaging. Like, can we just so this is here. You flip this up, it comes out, and then you basically apply the product like this. So Fenty always coming through with innovation and with the packaging. Love, love, love. So super excited to add this to my routine and see how this works and how it really helps with delivering that hydration that I am so looking for in my skincare products now. The next product that I have is a companion to the overnight mask. This is the Dew and Plump Hydrating Nectar Glow Serum. And this I think is perfect to wear during the day. So this would be what I would wear on the days that I'm not wearing any makeup and I just want that glass looking skin. And it's a serum. So this is the serum version of the mask. So excited to try this. I'm just going to get a little pump on my hand. I always like to smell their skincare products because they always smell amazing. Lightweight for sure. The texture is very lightweight. It seems to be blending into the skin nicely, and that is what it's looking like. Look at that nice hydration, that glow. Yes. So this I'm definitely excited to try. Again, I will wear this more so during the day, when I'm not wearing any makeup and I'm just going about running errands. This moisturizer sunscreen, chef's kiss. So we'll see how this works. Now we're gonna talk body care, and I am so excited that Fenty brought this back because this is one of my favorite scents from the Butta Drop collection. And they didn't just bring it back, but they brought back the jumbo size. This is the Jumbo Butta Drop Whipped Oil Body Cream. This one is in the shade Vanilla Dreams. I just love this. Super hydrating. It melts into the skin. You have that glow. Oh my gosh, it smells good. And this is good for layering. So whenever I wear this and I add my fragrance on top, it just helps my fragrance last longer and my skin is glistening and glowing all day. I don't want to open it because I already have the regular size that I'm using, and so this is kind of like a backup to my stash that I already have. But if you've never tried this, I mean, what are we waiting for? Let's go, add it to cart, check out, because you're gonna thank me later. And last, we have fragrance. I could not help myself. I had to grab the fragrance, and this might be my favorite thing in the entire haul. And this is the Fenty Eau de Parfum travel set. It's a travel spray and a mini body cream set. I grabbed the travel spray because, I mean, it's easy to travel with. And this is what the packaging is looking like. And if you have not tried this body cream, ooh, this body cream is everything. You think that Butta Drop is everything? No, the hydration that's on this is everything. I have the big size, so now my collection is complete. I have a full-on travel size and I have the body butter. So if you have not tried the Fenty fragrance, think soft, sits close to the skin, musk. So I would consider this like a soft skin musk scent, perfect for nighttime, perfect for daytime. I just love this in summertime. This is perfect for the summertime. Think elevated, intimate. You literally smell expensive when you are wearing this Fenty perfume. I love it. I think it's perfect for the nighttime. It's that intimate, soft skin musk, so it sits close to the skin. It's intimate, so whoever is close to you is just gonna, you smell good. So I really enjoy this parfum. And layering these two, oh my gosh, putting down the body cream and then spraying this, you're talking about next level longevity of how long the parfum wears, like last for hours. Okay. If you haven't tried, you will thank me later. This right here, add to cart, check out immediately. Full Fenty haul, all products will be linked below for you in the description box. Click on the Shop My, it will take you directly to the items. And so the standout product for me that I knew that I was gonna like, but I didn't think it would be an everyday reach for me, and it definitely is the Fenty Heat, and this one is Lavender Savage. Like, this is the perfect pinky nude color. Like, this is now going to be in my rotation, especially whenever I'm wearing that pinky nude look. That's the standout product. And of course, you already know what I'm obsessed with is the Fenty Skin Body Butter. And to show you how obsessed I am, I have it in the body milk as well. Now, the difference between the two, the body milk is just as hydrating, delivers that glow that your skin but better, luminous, like everything. It's just in a milk formula, so it's a little bit more lightweight than the body butter, but these are my current obsessions. Okay, the Gloss Bomb collection alone, they earn their reputation every single time. 3 different formulas, 3 different results, all are worth it. Everything is going to be linked for you down below, so be sure to check out the links below. Okay guys, this is my full Fenty Beauty haul. Lips, body care, skincare, fragrance, all products, all intentional, all honestly reviewed for medium skin tones. Now I want to know in the comments, what Fenty products are you reaching for first? Or if you've been sleeping on any of these products, which one is on your radar? Let me know in the comments. And if you aren't subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Turn on your notification bells because you don't want to miss any of my uploads. That's it, and I will see you in the next one.